Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic parking brake, exterior entry lights, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.